Hey guys, it's Tia. I am filming for the very first time in my brand new apartment. I am so stoked, and today I'm going to be doing an apartment tour. For my privacy and my roommate's privacy, we're not going to disclose where we're currently living, but I can just tell you that it's an apartment in Davis. We're currently paying $2,035 for a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. Water is $25 a person, and utilities is on us. I'm gonna make a video all about apartment hunting in Davis, so do stay tuned for that. But today I just wanted to show you guys what an apartment in Davis can look like. Obviously they're all very different, but this is what we got for $2,035 here in Davis. So we aren't 100% moved in, only 2 of us are currently living here right now. But we did get this apartment fully furnished. It was an extra $60 a month. So this is our door to get in, and then this is our little, we have a closet right next to it. We're gonna put, just jackets and whatever. We have a toolbox and a first aid kit up there, but essentially we're just gonna keep our shoes and jackets, bigger, thicker jackets that don't fit in our closets, in this closet. So our apartment did come with these super cute couches, with this coffee table. It came with this dresser, which is actually supposed to be in the bedroom, but we repurposed it for out here. And it did come with this little table right here, but this is my TV and my Wii stuff, and we're actually gonna not use that. We're gonna just put an entertainment center here that one of my roommates has. Okay, so this is my desk. She is recently fully done. I just finished putting all the finishing touches on it. This is my desk chair that I brought from home, and all this stuff is, most of it is from the dorm. I got this cute little calendar from Target. The lamp I got from Target. I bought this little paper organizer from a girl in Davis. She was getting rid of her stuff, and so she gave it to me along with some other things for a really cheap price. I got this cute Howl's Moving Castle postcard in San Francisco in Japantown. Gotta have my BTS. I got this 360 acrylic organizer from Amazon. It was $30, I think, but it is so useful. I used it so much last year in the dorm, and I'm definitely gonna continue to use it this year. And these faux flowers back here and here, I got from Michaels. So it's not here yet, but we're gonna put our printer up here. Essentially, this dresser is going to be a place for me to put my books and papers, Scantrons, blue books, all that kind of stuff, because the table that they gave us didn't really come with any sort of organization. So we decided, instead of using this in our bedroom, we're just gonna move it out here and use it for the 2 of us with desks in the front. So this top one will be for printer related things and things that we're all using. And then these 2 drawers are mine, and those 2 are my roommates. Actually, y'all know who they are. This is Caitlin's desk, and if you watch my videos, you do know who my roommates are. So, okay, moving on into the kitchen. The first thing we have here is a little closet, which is where we're gonna be keeping our vacuum, as well as a little ironing board, and yeah, just, paper towels, trash bags, all that kind of stuff. So this is our kitchen. It is pretty spacious. I was honestly really nervous, but yeah, this is our kitchen. We're gonna get rid of this lamp. We're gonna give it away. A good place to look for used items, whether or not you're moving into an apartment and you're just looking for used goods, is to go on the Facebook page Free and For Sale Davis, and you will find so many cool things. One of the cool things that we got from the Free and For Sale page was this organizer for utensils. I got it for free, which is pretty cool. Got this little whiteboard and little whiteboard marker holder and eraser at Daiso. We have our little Swiffer. That's Caitlin's Keurig, and this is my cappuccino and espresso maker. This is our little water jug. We've been having some issues trying to figure out how we're gonna do our water situation, because we bought this thing for $10, and we're like, oh, that's sick, we can just put it on a jug. And you have to buy a specific jug for it. So it was kind of frustrating a little bit, but we had a coupon, so it was all good. Yeah, our kitchen is honestly really great. I'm really excited. So when we asked to get our place fully furnished, they told us that it was fine. And then when we came in to sign the lease, the lady was like, your apartment is not eligible to get furnished. And we were like, what the fuck? We were told by a different worker that we could have it furnished. He showed us pictures of what we would receive, and we thought we were all good. And so she was like, I'm so sorry, that was not correct, but since you were under that impression, we're gonna see what we can make happen. So basically, she was able to fully furnish our place, but all this furniture they don't want anymore. And so they said, after your lease is up, if you don't, in right now too, we can do whatever we want with the furniture. We can give it away, we can sell it, we can keep it, whatever. So that's kind of nice. So onto the bathroom area. The first thing we have is like a little linens closet, and so we're definitely just gonna put towels and supplies in here. It's actually pretty deep, which is cool. It has a lot of storage, which is pretty great. Oh yeah, this might look kind of weird. So for our mopping situation, what we're gonna do is we're gonna mop with these towels. We're gonna put them on the Swiffer and mop with them and then reuse them and wash them instead of buying the Swiffer things that you're supposed to put on the bottom of the Swiffer because it's a waste and it's expensive. So there is a little closet here as well, and originally we were like thinking about putting bathroom stuff in here, but it honestly looks like a pantry, so that's what we're gonna use it for. Like I said, not all of us have moved in yet, so it's not really like being super used yet. I mean, this is mine and I haven't really used it that much. I'm gonna go grocery shopping today, but there's quite a bit of storage. There's a lot of space to put like extra stuff and refills of things, paper towels and all that kind of stuff. So each of us will get our own shelf, which I think is pretty freaking cool. Okay, on to the first sink. So our place is technically a 2-bed, 1-bath. However, we have 2 sinks and 2 vanity areas, which is kind of cool. So this is what we get. So these little mirrors actually pop out and there's storage behind them. This is our little sink. And then I put some organizers down here. This is gonna get replaced, but I have room for a little plastic organizer. Okay. Oh, that is real loud. Okay, never mind. Okay, so this is the second sink area. This is the one that's actually inside of the bathroom. So it's the same thing, except for there's storage under here that comes with it. So it comes with this, as you can see over here. It didn't come with cabinets. And then we actually bought this bathroom organizer thing to put on top of the toilet. So it's great for when each of us is gonna take a shower, we have our stuff organized up there. It came with just 1 towel rack, so we got a hanger that goes on the back of the door. And then this is our shower. It did not come with a shower curtain. There is quite a bit of space to put stuff, like this little shelf, you can put some stuff, and then there's shelving along here. So there's our front door, right? So after you come out of the bathroom, you can go left or right, and those are where the 2 bedrooms are. So mine is on the right. Okay, so this is my room. I share it with Diana. As you can see, I fully decorated my wall over there, which we will get into in a second. But yeah, this is our room, and honestly, it is really spacious. It's honestly because of the way that we organized the space and the way that we arranged everything. So this is Diana's bed over here, and then this is a little dresser that it came with, and then a little trash can. Y'all, I painted this trash can to have little clouds on it. It's not gonna get the recognition it deserves because it's so freaking small, but I literally painted it with little clouds. Diana's desk is over here, so Diana's desk will be inside the room and mine is outside the room, which honestly is preferable because I work really, really late at night and I don't want to bother her while she's sleeping with lights or anything, so this works out great. Yes, this is a poster of IU. I love her. And we'll start to get into my bedroom area now. So this is my little nightstand area. This is my own personal nightstand, so it did not come with it. Both of the bedrooms came with 1 bed, 1 dresser, 1 desk, and 1 nightstand. I just want to clarify something real quick. So the desks actually weren't in the bedroom when we moved in. They were out in the living room that I showed before. Those were the desks that the apartment gave us, and the desk that's inside of the room is Diana's. So this is actually my own bed from home, which I'm really happy that I get to use my own bed. It's perfectly fine. This is a twin. This bed that they provided us is a twin as well. So I won't go too much into the wall, but yeah, I just basically printed out some 4x4 photos that have some of my favorite memories with some great people. Okay, this is my dresser. So the dresser that you saw in the front room, that was also given to us from the apartment, and that was in here originally, but we found it really didn't give us a lot of space, so I actually had this one from home. This is an IKEA dresser, and Diana and I decided that we're gonna split the dresser 50-50. So this side is my side and that side is her side. I also put in some lights. So these are some little lights that I put in the room. I think they're really cute and they just go around the window. I think I got them at Target, but I honestly cannot remember. Okay, so this is the closet. It is honestly huge. We thought, I've said that this whole time, but we were very surprised at how deep the closet was. So let me just get into it. So it has 2 sides like this. It's a slider door, and this side is Diana's side, and it's perfect because we each get 50-50 of the closet, and it works great. The thing that divides our closet sides is this shoe organizer, which I also got from a girl on the free and for sale page. I think I paid $7 for it, which is a freaking steal. So this closet organizer I got from Target. It's great. It just hangs in here and it's a great place to put extra clothes. I like it. Even though we have the dresser, I have some go-to clothes that I wear all the time, and so I put those up at the top, so stuff that I'm constantly wearing, easy to grab if I put it here. Okay, so that is my room. And that's pretty much our apartment. And now time for the outro. I like to call this couch the friend's couch because it looks like the couch that's in Central Perk. I don't know, I think it's cute, I love it, it's very comfy. So like I said before, I'm gonna be making a video all about apartment hunting in Davis. So in terms of how we found this apartment and the steps that we took to get keys to this place, I'm gonna explain in another video. So hopefully I will send out an Instagram story closer to when I plan on filming that video, just asking you guys if you have any questions related to finding apartments in Davis, just so that I can answer your guys' questions specifically. But this is the end of my apartment tour. I am so happy to be all moved in. This process has definitely been stressful. We've had a lot of ups and downs, but we are here, we are in our place. I could not be more excited. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a like and make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. I hope you guys really enjoy. Bye!